What's going on, guys? Today I've got a brand new video for you, and today we're going to be looking at the Midnight build by Apollo. This is quite a large build. It's also adult build, so it's got an adult zone built into it. So what I'm going to do first is show you around the build, and then we'll move on to the install. Okay, so first of all, when you open the build, you have Finder area, and here, as you can see, you can search for anything you want to watch, whether it's music, shows, or movies. Then straight away you got your adult zone. Now I'm not going to go through any of this, of course. I'll just show you these loads of add-ons and stuff like that, but that's something, of course, I can't show you on YouTube. Okay, so next you got a music area, tons of add-ons again. I would go through this, but you know, the music area is always working these builds. Next is the kids zone. Now this is one of the biggest areas in the build. There's tons of add-ons, and you can literally get anything in here, as you can see. Another thing with the Apollo build is you always get a dedicated comedy area. So as you can see, you've got stand-up, Bob, UK comedy, you've got all sorts of US. There's loads in there, and you've got also obviously your quick selects at the bottom, which will be a load of ones that are popular at the moment. You've got Movie Box, which is your movie area. Again, tons of add-ons, stuff like Salt, 123 Movies, Velocity. You've got your little write-ups down here and your movies to look at. Then there's a few more sections at the end. You've got a 4K section, a box set section, which is for just watching full series, but you could still do that in the shows area. This just separates it into actual box sets for you. And then you've got a few dedicated add-on areas such as Salt, UK Turks and BOB. UK Turks is great for live TV, everything like that. In fact, anything live, UK Turks is great. It also does host movies and TV shows, but I always prefer to use Salt for that. And you got BOB Bubbles and basically a load of other add-ons. Now what's really cool is you've got an unblock area, which could help you if you're having problems with an IP block and it's not letting you watch certain movies on your Kodi. Then you've got a documentary hub. You've got a bit of on-demand to catch anything you missed out on. As you can see, you've got BBC ITV, Renegades, Vivo, Highlights, Wrestling, you've got all sorts. Then you've got a live area. This area is really good. Someone commented on my video the other day asking for a live build, and this one's got a lot going on in the live areas. As you can see, you got all your quick selection, you got all these add-ons. And then you just got some more add-ons, a sports section. In here you get all your sports live and all your after the fact. So if you want to watch something after it's already been on, you'll be able to catch it in here. But if you also want to watch it live, this is the area to be in. As you can see, in here you can get all your Sky and BT stuff. So you get all the football, plus you get all the US stuff you'll want to watch. Then you've got UFC add-ons and just loads more. I'm not going to go for this. The sports is one of the biggest areas in the whole build, so you'll be able to watch anything you want to get in here. Next is fitness. I'm going to skip over, but this is all workout stuff and, you know, dance fitness, all that stuff. I've never really looked through it. If you're into fitness stuff, you can do. You probably use it. Then your favourites, your media. So this is stuff, you know, you put to the side. You've got an add-ons area. Here you want to install anything or bring up your video add-ons or programs. Then you've just got settings, and this is a load of basic stuff. As you can see, from here you can fresh start if you ever need to do that. You've also got a maintenance area, so this is really useful. Okay, now you've just got the quit button, so that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to show you a movie working, and then we'll move on to the install. So for me, I'm just going to click on Deadpool. Okay, now as you can see, this works perfectly first time in full HD. And I'm just going to fast forward you a bit, show you there's no buffering, no lagging. This is excellent quality, especially with, like I said, no buffering, no lagging. So yeah guys, now we've looked around the build and I've showed you something working. We're going to jump on into the install, so let's hop straight into it. Okay, so now that we've looked at the build, we want to install it. What you need to do is open up your fresh Kodi, or it can have something on. If it does, I'd suggest going into your settings and changing the layout back to default. Okay, once you're in the simple Kodi, you want to go all the way to the top and click the gear cog icon, or find your settings wherever they're located on your Kodi. You want to go down to the bottom right and hit File Manager, select Add Source, and then click where it says None. Okay, then you want to type in exactly http://repo.ares/project.com/magic. Now I may set that a bit quick. If I have, you can just pause the video and copy it off the screen, or the link will also be in the description of the video to get from there. Once you've typed all that in, you just want to hit OK. It will automatically name itself, so you just want to go down to the OK button again and click it. Now you want to hit the back button all the way till you get to your Kodi's main home screen. Then you want to go down to add-ons. Once you're here, you want to select it, and then you want to go to the very top until you see this box icon in the top left. You want to select that, go down to install from zip, and then you want to click on the word settings once prompted, turn on unknown sources, and then say yes. And now you just want to hit the back button once, click on install from zip again, choose the magic folder that got added, and then in here you want to open a repository folder, and then there will be a zip file. So you just want to select this. The first time it may come up saying failed, so you just want to hit install again, go down to the magic file one more time, and then hit the zip to install. As you can see, the second time it came up saying add-on installed. We want to click on install from repository off the same screen. Aries project should now be in here. You want to go down to program add-ons, highlight the wizard. Now for you, where mine says uninstall, it'll say install, so you just want to hit install and then hit enable, or it may enable itself, it depends, and then hit open. If it closes you out of this screen for any reason, you can just go back into it and hit open. Aries wizard will also be on your programs add-on screen to get from there if you can't find it. Okay, so once you're in here, you want to select browse builds, scroll down till you see Apollo. Once you've found it, you just need to select this. Then you get this pop-up. Now if you're on a PC or a Mac, you can hit get pin and it'll take you to a page with a pin. You just need to hit enter and type it in. If you're not and you're on like an Android TV box or a Fire Stick, what you're going to have to do is type in the bit.ly link at the bottom there, and then at that link it'll give you the pin you need to use. So now I'm just going to show you how to do it on the computer. Just hit the get pin button. Okay, so once you got the pin, you can just go off this page or whatever, go back into your Kodi, hit enter pin, and then enter the pin you've just been given. You can't use the one I use because this pin changes all the time. Okay, so now once you entered your pin and you're in here, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and it should be called Apollo Midnight. Now there's two of them. These are normal version and adult version, so for the purpose of the video I'm going to be doing adult, but for you it's completely your choice. So once you've highlighted it, you want to go right, hit install, give it a while, and then after a few minutes it'll be complete, and then you'll get this pop up. Now if you're on a Windows or a Mac, you want to hit OK, reopen Kodi, and it'll be set up like they'll be in this video of your build complete. If you're not and you're on an Amazon Fire Stick or any other device that isn't a PC or Mac, what you need to do is completely cut your device from the power, whether that be a USB, HDMI or mains power plug. Give it 5 seconds, plug it back in, and when you open Kodi, you'll be set up. So anyway guys, I hope this video helped. If it did, smash that like button. If you got any questions or video suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. As always, subscribe for more interesting stuff.